So we have 3 recipients and 3 living donors. So we have to make sure all those 6 people are healthy, ready to do the surgery. The surgeries need to happen the same day. Everything has to come together at the right time. Our internal chain goes like this. Roxanne, our altruistic donor, donated to Reginald. Reginald's wife donated to Gerald, and Gerald's wife donated to Elam.
I'm grateful that I was healthy enough to donate, that you had the heart to donate. You had the heart and the health to donate, and so that these gentlemen could live their lives.
When we got the call a month ago, and he's like, I'm not ready. And I was like, you better get ready.
Well, I want to thank you for your donation.
It's a win-win. Everything works out the way it's supposed to.
Oh, because we're a domino chain.